Hello everyone, I am Aadidev from grade 1. Today I am going to do very interesting thing. You know what I am going to do? Very interesting thing. Today I am going to do dancing spider in the water. Okay, let's start. For dancing spider, we need one dry plate like this. And also one glass of water and whiteboard marker pen. You can use any color. Now I am going to use red and black. Then we have to draw small spiders in the plate. Look, I draw 3 spiders. Then we have to pour some water in the plate. Look, our dancing spider is all ready. Look, this very simple and very fun, no? So you can also try at your home. See, the spider is dancing. This is very interesting and funny, no? So you can also try at your home. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my